Hello mga ka-shoppers, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng solar street lights, waterproof by 1 take 1, solar light, outdoor 5,000 watts, black aluminum solar street light heavy duty. Complete package, complete accessories mga ka-shoppers, included ang kanyang solar lights. Material na gamit is die-cast aluminum, rust-proof and durable. And of course, ang kanyang bolt and master screw para sa pag-assemble ang smart remote control with batteries, adjustable ang brightness 30% to 100%. Set timers 3 hours, 5 hours to 8 hours. Ang lightweight niya na light arm. And of course, ang kanyang bracket para sa solar panel. Ang solar panel naman natin is 6 voltage, 100 polycrystalline, 350 mm by 235 mm ang sukat. Magugustuhan nyo to mga ka-shoppers dahil 20 times brighter or kaya nyo magpaliwanag na hanggang 100 meter at all night power, 80 to 24 runtime, working 2 to 3 days, rain or shine. And of course, durable for outdoor lightning. Naka-IP67, proven and tested waterproof, survives storm, dust, and heat. At ito pa mga ka-shoppers, ultra fast charge, 5 hours to full power, 6 voltage to 10 watts ang solar panel niya. And of course, adjustable din ang kanyang ilaw na hinaan na nalakasan ha. Sulit na magkaroon kayo ng ating 5,000 black aluminum solar street light heavy duty mga ka-shoppers dahil makakatipid kayo sa konsumo sa kuryente. Tumatagal siya ng hanggang 10 taon at mahigit pa. Lightning, no wiring needed mga madam mga sir. And of course, zero electricity bills. Heavy duty mga ka-shoppers, perfect para sa road, park, farms, and large yard. We guarantee mga ka-shoppers dahil double layered packaging, 24/7 support missing parts, and of course 100% factory direct type. Ano bang inaantay nyo mga ka-shoppers? Upgrade your outdoor space, and of course limited stock. Swipe now mga ka-shoppers, or check out now. Thanks for watching.